is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor.
Hi guys, so this is just me doing a quick colour of the pumpkin colouring page that I've done. So it's nothing special, but doing this in Illustrator, I do this with all my colouring pages. I just like to check that it will colour nicely and smoothly, adjust anything that needs adjusting. You'll see even more of that in the butterfly colouring page. But all I'm doing is just outlining these and then adjusting the paths to make sure I've covered the whole section. As you see, I adjust and move and shift over and reshape. So it's just really basic colouring. And this particular pumpkin picture has gone up on my RedBubble page as just a fun thing for Halloween t-shirts and mugs and all sorts, so do check that out if you're interested. But you can also buy this as a colouring page, blank for you to colour in yourself. It will come as a PDF, so you can print it out and colour it in all by yourself, or give it to your kids for Halloween fun. It's up to you what you really want to do with it, but it's really nice and simple. I'm trying out this voiceover thing, so I don't know what this is going to come out like, so hopefully it's going to be alright. But you can see it's not much to tell you really. Just pick the same orange colour that I had for the whole thing and colour it on in. And in a second I'll move on to the greens. It's just me doing some fine tuning there. As you can see, I have to zoom in to get right up, because it can look like it's coloured in from a distance, but once you zoom in you realise there's actually sections missed, and so you have to go in and fine tune everything. This one needed a lot of fine tuning, as you can see. I've just done different greens. Each section has a different colour green, just to give some depth and illusion of light. I quite like it. But that's basically it done.